Nothing has always turned heads with its boldly minimal and aesthetic design devices, and now, again, Nothing is once again turning up the volume with its budget-friendly sub-brand CMF. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Just months after the debut of Nothing's own over-ear headphone one, CMF is getting ready to launch its first full-size headphones, the CMF Headphone Pro. The Teasers shared on X offer a colorful twist on what we've come to expect from Nothing's transparent gear, ditching the see-through shells for bold splashes of CMF's signature orange and a fresh mint green. The Headphone Pro isn't just about sound, it's a style statement. But make no mistake, because these headphones still have Nothing's blessing. In a move that could put them in the same customizable arena as modular tech, you can now swap air cushions and even control mechanisms like a slider and a clickable wheel, features rarely seen at this price tier. One teaser is tagging with Remix Everything, suggesting personalization might go beyond aesthetics and into how you interact with the headphones. And we're talking about design. The CMF Headphone Pro appears to be more traditional than the boxy Nothing Headphone 1. It has ear cups and a smaller build. And oh, there's a USB-C port too, which means it'll support fast charging and a general design that's both functional and fashion-forward. Those specs like ANC, battery life, and driver size remain under wraps for now. All eyes are on the September 29th launch. With its track record for shaking up expectations, CMF by Nothing is set to shake up the budget over-ear headphone market, and we're waiting for it already. Are you a headphones person or an earbuds one? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.